Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your vívofit Junior 2. To change the battery, you will need the vívofit Junior 2, the replacement CR1632 battery, and a small Phillips screwdriver. To begin, remove the module from the band. Next, turn the module over and remove the 4 screws. Now, remove the back cover and remove the old battery. You are now ready to install the new battery in the front cover. Now, ensure that the gasket is in the back cover. When installed correctly, the gasket should be flush with the groove in the back cover. You are now ready to reinstall the module into the band. Place the back cover on the front cover. And reinstall the 4 screws. Now, reinstall the module into the band. Line up the triangle on the module with the triangle on the band, and stretch the fabric around the module. And that's it! You've replaced the battery in the vívofit Junior 2. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.